Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum columns in Excel. Okay, so before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay guys, this is my Excel sheet and this is my demo. I have the demo data here. So I freeze the cell. I think I have to unfreeze it once again. Okay, now unfreeze, you can see the all data. So here I need to add up columns here, or add the numbers of columns. So in order to sum numbers, or in order to sum column in Excel, there is a formula you have to use. This is the easiest process, but you need to watch carefully. So here I'm going to calculate together this number here. Okay, so first you have to enter the equal sign. This is some type of indication to the Excel that I'm going to use the you know formulas. So here you have to use formulas like type SVM, like sum, then click tab, then bracket will be open, and now you have to select all column data or numbers to add up. Okay, so here I'm selecting three cell, and now you have to close your bracket and enter. So this formula here applied, and the all sum total number is applied here. Okay, so same formula you can use here. You can copy formula here from here to here. Just click your left button of mouse and hold it, and just scroll down here, left side, your right side. So formula will be copy here. And now I'm going to show you how to calculate sale. Okay, so I'm going to calculate or total these two sale in this cell. Okay, so here same, you have to use same formula. Type equal symbol, then type sum, then type tab, click tab, then bracket will be open. Then you can select this cell by clicking your right side button on your keyboard, or you can use your mouse to select like this. Okay, so now you have to close your bracket and click on. So this here the sum formulas has been applied, and total here you get total of this cell. Okay, these two cell you can select entire cell. If you have if you have huge data, you can select like entire cell, or I have only this sample data, so I use only two. Okay. So this formula want to copy, if you want to copy in the raised cell, just click your left button of mouse and hold it, and just scroll down, and you can see the formulas has been applied here, and the total you appear here. Okay, so that is how you can calculate or sum your columns, or multiple columns you can sum, you can total multiple columns. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for